These AI videos are exploding right now. Millions of views. Zero filming. No expensive gear. One video in this niche crossed 120 million views. Even with a low RPM, that's serious money from one upload. And the crazy part? Most people still think it's complicated. It's not. Today, I'm showing you how I actually make viral AI videos in under 5 minutes, using mostly free tools. No gatekeeping. Just the exact process. And if you skip one step, your video will look cool, but die at 200 views. Before the how, you need to understand the why. These videos go viral because they trigger one thing: confusion. When someone scrolls and sees something that looks real, but slightly off, their brain pauses. Wait, is this real? That microsecond hesitation is what stops the scroll. Platforms love watch time. Confusion creates watch time. But viral AI videos follow 3 strict rules. Realism over beauty. If it looks too clean, it screams AI. People scroll. Logical scenes. If something doesn't make sense, illusion breaks. Movement. Static images don't go viral. Motion keeps attention. Understand these 3, and this becomes repeatable. Go to a viral AI video in your niche. Pause it. Screenshot a frame. We're not copying it. We're studying the layout. Now upload that screenshot into your AI image tool. Instead of recreating it exactly, change the main character, the location, the theme. Keep the composition style. Change the story. That gives you a proven visual structure without copying. Step 2. Create a cinematic sequence. One image is not a video. You need 3 shots minimum. A wide shot, side or medium shot, close-up detail shot. This instantly makes your content feel like a documentary. When your content feels like a documentary, people trust it. When they trust it, they watch longer. Step 3. Add motion. Now we animate. But here's the mistake beginners make. They animate the character. Wrong. You animate the camera. Instead of saying, make the character move, you say, slow zoom in, subtle camera shake, dust particles floating, a light rays shifting, soft shadow movement. We animate the environment, not the subject. That keeps realism intact. Edit. Most AI videos fail because they look too perfect. Perfection kills realism. Open your editor. Do this. A lower temperature slightly. Add slight green tint. Crush shadows. Add subtle vignette. Add light grain. Add small fog or mist. Now it feels raw. Raw feels real. Real gets watch time.